Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I'll show you what the RenewaLift Face Massager is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the RenewaLift Face Massager is a non-invasive skincare device designed to help lift, firm, and rejuvenate the skin at home. The company says it combines an EMS microcurrent technology, LED light therapy, and sonic vibration to support a more sculpted, and also a youthful looking appearance without surgery or downtime. According to the website, as you can see, it contains like a description on how or what it does, everything as example. So the MEC microcurrents, what it does, the LED, what it does, sonic vibration, what it does, the description for that. Also, how to use it. So you'll have to begin with a clean and dry skin, then apply the recommended activator serum or conductive gel to the treatment area basically or areas. Then power on, select your desired intensity LED mode. Gently glide renewal lifts and upward strokes across basically the face and the neck, avoiding direct contacts with eyes for 3 to 5 minutes per session. After a session, you'll have to massage any remaining serum into the skin and follow as example with your regular moisturizer and wipe the device with a soft dry cloth and store it in a cool place. And of course, use daily for best initial results and then maintain the benefits with 3 to 5 sessions per week. Or once as example visible improvements appears. So that's basically how to use this. And of course, if you want to buy it or purchase it, you'll have to click on add to cart. First of all, choose the preferred package as example from here, depending on what you want. Do you want the serum or without the serum as well? Once you have it, of course, on the add to carts, or once you click on add to carts, click on checkout, and you'll be taken where you can enter your shipping information, your payments information, and you should be good. But before completing your purchase, carefully review the pricing and shipping information, warranty, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always recommended. And according to the official website, the device, or it will depend when or where are you buying from. So some websites will give you 60-day money back guarantees, some will not. So it depends on where you're buying it from. And of course, if you have any questions, they do have frequently asked question page if you want to see the questions or, for example, see some of your questions answered. And if you still have any question, they do have an email option and a number option if you want to contact them further. And of course, as with any skincare device, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it. If you have some sensitive skin or any existing skin condition, also make sure to do your own research and continue only if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.